The answer is here. Purpose-built for Army Aviation, for the warfighter, for right now. This is Aristotle. Forget everything you know about generative AI search. Aristotle isn't scraping the internet for answers. It's trained on your technical manuals, your doctrine, your SOPs. Ask it a question. You get a grounded, traceable answer pulled from authoritative sources. Not a guess, not a hallucination. A verifiable response you can act on. But Aristotle isn't just one tool. It's an ecosystem. Knowledge access, curriculum development, adaptive instruction, real-time coaching, system integration. Every piece connected. Every piece working across the training lifecycle. Aristotle's instructional design engine, AID, takes doctrine and turns it into deployable training, lesson plans, scenarios, assessments, published directly to your training systems. What used to take a team months, one instructional designer can do in days. We've seen it. We've measured it. And then there's Aria, an adaptive virtual instructor that meets the student wherever they are, in the sim, in the classroom, on a tablet, or in the field. Voice, chat, visual interaction. Not a recording, not a script, a responsive AI instructor that adapts in real time. Our AI virtual instructors ride along during execution, real-time feedback, coaching cues, performance tracking, all happening inside the training environment. The student isn't waiting for a debrief to find out what went wrong. They know instantly. Every interaction generates data. Every session is measured. Program managers get actionable insights, not a pile of spreadsheets. From individual performance to enterprise trends, Aristotle turns training into something you can actually see, track, and improve. Aristotle is built on a secure foundation, but it goes further. Every answer traces back to a source, and every organization controls their data and models. Aristotle is operational today. It runs on Army Vantage at IL-4, integrated with CPE aviation workflows. It supports real users on real missions, built for the Army, proven by the Army, expandable to all services. Army Aviation is losing experience. More aviators are approaching retirement. Training capacity is under pressure. That gap is real. Aristotle fills it.